Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the RAWMID Modern RMJ-03, a slow juicer designed for anyone who wants fresh homemade juice from fruits and vegetables with minimal effort. The first thing you'll notice is its modern and stylish appearance. The compact design allows it to fit comfortably into most kitchens without taking up too much counter space. It looks clean, professional, and ready for daily use. Unlike traditional centrifugal juicers that operate at very high speeds, the RMJ-03 uses slow extraction technology. This process is designed to gently press ingredients rather than aggressively chop them, helping create smooth juice with excellent consistency. One of the biggest advantages of slow juicing is efficiency. The machine is designed to extract as much juice as possible from fruits and vegetables while leaving behind dry pulp. This means you can get more from your ingredients and reduce waste. The juicer is suitable for a wide variety of produce. Whether you're preparing orange juice for breakfast, a green vegetable blend, or experimenting with your own healthy recipes, the machine offers flexibility for different tastes and lifestyles. Another feature users will appreciate is quiet operation. Compared to many traditional juicers, the noise level is lower, making it more pleasant to use during early mornings or throughout the day. Cleaning is also an important consideration, and the design aims to simplify maintenance. The removable parts are easy to access, helping make cleanup faster after each use. Overall, the RAWMID Modern RMJ-03 delivers a combination of efficiency, convenience, and modern design. For anyone looking to enjoy fresh juice at home while maintaining a healthier lifestyle, this juicer is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your favorite juice recipe in the comments below. See you in the next review.